You ready? You ready to go hunting? Load up. All right, baby girl. It's go time. It's opening day. Let's go get them. Oh. Come on, buddy, we gotta get to our spot. Keep going. What's up, guys? We're back out at 4D Ranch today. It is opening day of dove season. We're here with our trusty Franchi over and under 20 gauge shotgun. And today we're gonna try to hopefully kill a limit of mourning doves. It's been a little slow this morning. It was kind of wet out here. We have a pretty heavy dew down here in South Texas generally. That's my dad shooting over there in the mornings, which, you know, helps to kind of save us because of the heat. But thankfully we've gotten some rain. As you guys can see, it is like a jungle out here in the field. But anyway, right now the birds have landed and they're feeding in the field. I'm hoping they're gonna get up and fly. But if they don't, then I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and, you know, I'll pick up the tripod as best I can and try and sneak up on them, because there's probably 10 or 15 of them that landed up here about 100 yards in front of me in the field. And we may try to jump shoot them as they come up. So I've got my, my trusty pup, Keira, here with me. If y'all can see her right there. She's already gotten one super badass retrieve today. We had a bird that was basically underneath her and she couldn't see him, but she could smell him. And so she was doing donuts in this super tall grass. And anyway, super proud of my girl. But anyway, so yeah, excited to have you guys along with us. I hope it's gonna be a good day.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, so we've been here for probably about 45 minutes and we've had a couple flyers come by, but most of them are just landing out in the field. They're not even, you know, they're not flying because there's no pressure on them out here in this field. It's a big field. And so I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to pick up the tripod that the camera's on and I'm gonna carry it with me. I'm gonna carry it in my left hand, so if I have to shoot fast, maybe I can shoot them with my right hand. But what I'm gonna try to do is when we ease up to them and I get to where I think they're gonna be, I'm gonna set the tripod down and then hopefully we'll be able to get a couple of jump shots, because they're not flying enough right now to really warrant sitting in one place for, I mean, I could be here for 3 hours and I mean, I may see 4 or 5 more doves, but I can see them all landing out here in the field, out here in front of me. They're kind of out that direction a little bit. So we're gonna try to sneak up there and sneak on them. I know that my girlfriend Danielle is running around here somewhere, so hopefully I'm not gonna run into her and get in her way, but she stole my dog, so we gotta go get Keira back. So now we're on the road. Let's see if we can do this, ladies and gentlemen. Just FYI, would not generally recommend walking down the middle of the cut that you made to bring in the birds with a tripoded camera, trying to shoot them one-handed, but that's what we're gonna do here because, well, right now it's just me. So I'll try to keep this thing as level as I can. All right, all those birds that I saw landed right up here somewhere. Oh, there goes one. Did y'all see him? Okay. All right, I'm gonna set you guys down. Oh, right there. Got him. Did y'all see that? Okay, I can't believe we actually hit that bird. All right, we gotta go find him now. I wish I had my dog. I'll get her. All right, gotta take that shell out. Okay. Throw another one in. Good thing about these over and unders is you get 2 chokes. So you got one for close range, and the second choke is more of a full choke for a further shot, okay? So anyway, actually I tell you what, I'll bring y'all up here with me. All right, Keira, dead bird. Dead bird. Where's he at? Dead bird. Dead bird, Keira. Where is he, baby? Work him out. Work him out. Where's he at? Dead bird. Dead bird. Where is he? Where is he, Key? Get him, buddy. Get him. Where's he at? Where's he at, Keira? Come on, I know he's right in here. We got it. We can find him. Dead bird, Keira. Come here. Come on, dead bird. Where is he? Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good girl, Keira. Fetch him here, baby. Keira, here. Keira, here. Fetch him here. Good girl. Fetch him here, bud. Yeah. Good girl, Keira. Good job, baby girl. And that's why you have a dog. Come here, Key. Come here, baby. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. You do a good job. Yeah. Good girl, Key. Good job, baby. All right, guys. So we're back out here. It's the afternoon now. Got a lot more birds flying. Danny's filming for us. Got Keira back close at hand. And it's a good opening day. Thank you. Fetch him up, Key. Get him, baby. Dead bird. Dead bird. There you go, Key. Fetch him up. Fetch him up, baby. Good girl. Fetch him here, Key. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Come here. Good girl, Key. Drop, drop. Yeah. Good job. Good job, baby girl. That was awesome. That was so cool. Come on, Key. Come on, let's go fetch him up, baby. I think he might have made it to the road. Come on, bud. Come on, Key. Let's go find him. Where's he at? Dead bird. Dead bird. Hey, hey, work ahead. Dead bird, get him, Key. Get him, baby. Get him, Key. Get him, buddy. Get him, Keira. Get him, baby girl. Where's he at? Find him. Where's he at? Dead bird. Dead bird. Get him, Keira. Get him, Keira. Good girl, Keira. Fetch him here, baby. Good girl. Drop, drop. Good girl, Key. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Oh, you got them all on your nose? You got them all on your nose? There you go. Good girl. Good job, baby girl. That's how we do it. That was so awesome. I thought he was gonna fly off, and I was like, man, it'd be better if Keira, it'd be better. Dad, turkey. Pot licking my dove, yeah. It's better if she can get him instead of me shooting him on the ground like that, you know what I mean? Because I don't want to, I mean, you want to keep the bird. If, you know, obviously we always want to save everything that we can whenever we kill animals out here, because, you know, we're taking their lives and we want to make use of them. So that was awesome. That was a good retrieve.
Come on, Keira. Let's go get him. Oh, shit. I don't want to shoot another one until we get this one. Come on, Keira. Here. Dead in here. Keira, dead. Dead in here. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Fetch him up, Key. Fetch him up, Keira. Good girl. Drop. Drop. Good girl. All right, buddy. That was good. You're up.
Good shot, man.
Thank you.
Bam, bam, bam! She should drive. Is she gonna walk all the way over here? Okay. Just FYI, fans out there, that's the dog panting, not me. Anytime.
Good shot, Mama.
Fetch him up, Keira.
Denver, King. Denver.
It didn't just get up and fly, did it?
Denver, King.
Atta girl. Fetch it here. Here, Keira.
Drop. Yeah. Yeah, drop. Good girl.
I think it's all the way dead yet.
Good shot, Mama.
Thanks, baby.
Good job. Give us some. Love you.
I love you.
Okay. You over it?
Camera time.
Okay.
Idiot. Oh, wait. Idiot.
Oh, dang. He's way the heck over there. Okay. Golly, babe, move. Dude, I just dusted him. I probably shot him. Look, oh no. Keira, dead in here. Dead all in here. Good girl, bring him here. Ha, come here. Drop, drop. Oh, it's okay, I just shot his arm off.
Is breath so far? Holy shit, you're the luckiest one on the fucking planet.
Good girl,
Tell
Kiki.
you what, it's a good thing I got quick reactions.
Well, I wasn't gonna shoot you, that's why I said duck.
Duck? Guys, that's what true love is. Duck, so I can shoot pellets right over your
At least
head.
I didn't say dove.
Hey, you having fun?
I am.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to finish it up for the opener of dove season 2022. I want to thank you guys for coming out to 4D Ranch, this beautiful place that we have to come out and shoot some birds and with the family, and make sure you guys are getting your friends and family out into the field, because, I mean, there's no better way to make memories than out here, man. And one thing I wanted to add right before we get done here is to always remember to give thanks. Give thanks, thank Mother Nature, thank God, you know, whoever it is. But this is an amazing world we have, and it's definitely worthwhile to get out from behind the computer, get out from behind your chair, get outside, go explore, go do a little hunting, a little fishing, whatever it is that, you know, tickles your pickle. But anyway, I can't say that. Please like, comment, subscribe below. And if you guys want to know anything, you know, please just let me know. We're going to be putting out a bunch more videos coming up. Hunting season's just around the corner. I think we're only 15 or 16 days out. So anyway, appreciate it, guys. Thanks for tagging along. See y'all later.